Welcome, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your face recognition scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So to do that, in such case you'll have to set up a new face model on your device. So first open the settings. Then select Security and Privacy. Then go to Device Unlock. Select Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Then select Face Unlock. Then remove any previous face models if you have them on your phone. Then click Set up Face Unlock. Agree. And before you proceed, use a dry towel to wipe the surface of your frontal camera and also adjust the light in your room so that you can clearly see your face in it. When you're done, click Done, and then also make sure that your system is up to date. So go to System and Update. Go to Software Update. Make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. Give me a moment. So in System and Update, check your software updates. Check if your device is up to date, and if it's not, then take your time to install all the required updates. Then restart your phone by holding the power button and the volume up key at the same time. Select Restart and wait until your phone reboots. Now let's check how the face recognition feature works now. So let's try to unlock the phone using the face. Okay. And as you can see, it works smoothly for me, and I hope that it does for you too. And if it does, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.